Hello guys, welcome to another tip and trick video in AutoCAD. This is the second part of using measure command. In previous video, the part first of measure command, we have created points object at measure interval along the length of the line, this line object. In this video, I am going to place blocks at measure interval along the length of this line segment using measure command. Now let's create a block like point. Let's on this polar dragging. Let's mirror this. Mirror on this line. Erase source object, no. Let's mirror this as well. To make this object a block, type block command. Every block has its name. Let's give a name. I'm going to name it a point block. Let's pick a point, base point. I want to pick this as a base point. Select object, Windows selection, hit enter. I don't want it to be annotative. I don't want it to be open in block editor. I have to convert this object to the block. So convert to block. Box is ticked. Okay. Now this is a block. Before placing this block using measure command at measured interval, I want to make sure there is point layer is selected. Now go to the draw panel. Pin this. Here is a measure command. You can click here or you can directly type measure in command line. I have to measure this object, this line, and always remember, in my previous video I have also talked about this. You always need to select the object from where you want to measure. I want to measure this object from this end, so I click here. In command line you can see measure is specify the length of segment. I want to measure this line with this block, so first let's choose block, type B or choose from here. To insert the block in command line, you can see enter the name of block to insert. We have created this block with name point. Let's name point. Align block with object. Yes, I want to align this block with this object, with this line. So type Y or hit enter. Specify the length of the segment. Like in the previous videos, we have measured the line using measure command. Now the same thing happen here. You need to give a length of this segment. This line is exactly 3000 unit. It may be millimeter, centimeter, feet, inches, anything. So I want to give length of segment as 500 unit. Now you can see it places the block from this end in exactly measured distance of 500. Let's undo this. Here I want to tell you one cool things about the layers. Now let's see its property. In property palettes you can see the layer of this block is point. let's see its property. This block layer is layer 0, but in case of this inserted block, layer is point. If you insert any block which have layer 0, and it always picks the property of current layer. In our case, point is our current layer, so it picks up its all property and its layer is point layer.